morning guys, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you guys are rocking. And you guys might be wondering where was I from past 2 days. So I was suffering from sore throat and fever, and the reason why I started the vlog on the rooftop is because my pet bird started shouting. So to avoid the disturbance, I started the vlog on the roof. And in this vlog I'll be teaching you guys how to plug in your mobile for charging. Just kidding. I'll be teaching you guys how to use nunchuck as a self-defense weapon. So first let's go and get my coffee. So back with my coffee guys. And I usually prefer my coffee without sugar because I like it. And you feel the kick of the coffee without sugar. So I'll meet you guys after I finish my cup of coffee. So guys, just now I finished my cup of coffee and I'm back into my room because I need to change the papers for my birds and change the water and food. I do it every 2 days because it gets infectious to them because they do shit. And I'll meet you guys after I finish changing the papers for the birds. So guys, done with the paper changing. And guys, trust me, I'm not joking. My neck is going ape shit because it's paining badly. And the funny part is my body is jerking. Really, my body is jerking like a vehicle without fuel. You know how a vehicle without fuel, how it misfires? Yeah, the same thing is going with me right now. So let's go onto the roof and then talk. So guys, I'm going to buy some chicken and medicines. And I'm in the parking lot. And I'm going out. So let me wear my mask and helmet. So guys, just now I wore my mask and helmet. I think you people can't hear me because I'm wearing the helmet and the mask. So protect your life guys, it's very precious. So I'll meet you guys once I reach the medical shop. So guys, just now I reached home and my hair and face is completely messed up because of the helmet and mask. I was sweating badly and luckily I got my medicines. And I couldn't vlog near the medical shop because there was too much of crowd and there was no place to stand. So I didn't vlog over there. So first let me go and freshen up and then let's talk. So guys, done with my breakfast, washed my face and my hair is still wet. Took my medicines, everything is done and dusted. So as I told you guys in the beginning of the vlog that I'll be teaching you guys how to use nunchuck. So let's get started. Before that I want to show you guys my new Bluetooth speaker which I bought it 2 weeks back. So guys, this is the new Bluetooth speaker which I bought it from Amazon, and it has cloth material outside and the sound quality is really good, and it has a battery backup of I think 4 hours, and it's so loud that it scared the shit out of my neighbor. So let me turn it on for you guys. So guys, I'm going to play music right now. So guys, to learn a nunchuck, you need to know where to hold it. So many people hold it over here, many people hold it over here. This is not a right place to hold because while swinging, you might injure yourself or this might fly away and injure some other people. So the best way to hold it is, it's over here. Leave 1 inch distance and hold it. So you'll have more control and you won't lose it. So the first thing you need to do is swing it upward and hold it under your arm like this. So be careful guys, don't do it in full force because it hits very bad. And after doing this for 30 times, then you need to swing it in an infinity pattern, reverse it like this. So you need to swing your hand like this, in this motion. Be careful guys, because this might hit your face hard, and if it hits your face hard, it's very difficult. It pains for a long time. And after doing this for 30 times, do it gently guys. Then you need to raise your left arm in the air and you need to swing it from right to left like this guys, right to left. Do this also gently guys, because if this hits your back, it's gonna pain bad. You're going to experience hell. So that's it for today guys. If you enjoyed the vlog, please hit the like button and please subscribe.